So if you've been following along on my earlier videos, you're going to notice that I have this little tool here that shows up when I'm using Chrome. It's called vidIQ, and it's a basic IQ tool. It's the basic version. Even the basic version, which is free to use, has a whole bunch of useful options here, and one of them is getting the tags, the keyword tags from the video itself. Now these are the tags that the video creator actually entered into the tag section of their YouTube video. So whatever the user entered in this section is what's going to show up here using vidIQ within this section. And they actually provide a really handy clipboard thing here where you can clip it and you can copy all the tags to a clipboard and then open up your editing software or your text editor and just simply paste them in. And this gives you a quick ability to build a whole bunch of keywords quickly and easily just using this vidIQ tool. There's a whole bunch of other statistics here that are very useful and also will help you out within your strategy and your competitor analysis. But in this video, we're just going to only talk about the tags. You can sign up for a free account at vidIQ, and if you do like their service, I would highly recommend even going to the Pro. If you are using it a lot, you get a few more options here, as well as a keyword research tool, which is really cool within the Pro version and the Enterprise version as well. And you get a historical analysis and a whole bunch of additional options that will help you create better strategy and do better keyword research for your competition using vidIQ. So the plugin is only available within Chrome, and it will show up automatically when you open up a video. You're going to be able to quickly and easily see the stats. There's also something here which shows up within the search. So when you do a search, they have an additional option here that shows you some information regarding the search term. So it takes the highest and some other information here as well. Really great handy tool to be able to do keyword research.